Bay Window Installation Services Murray offer top-notch solutions for homeowners seeking to enhance their living spaces with beautiful, energy-efficient bay windows. Our team of residential bay window experts in Murray specializes in custom bay windows, ensuring each installation meets your unique style and functional needs. When it comes to premium bay windows Murray homeowners trust, we focus on quality bay window replacement and guarantee satisfaction with long-lasting results. Energy-efficient bay windows Murray are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior insulation. Our double-glazed bay windows Murray are perfect for maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Insulated bay windows Murray not only improve energy efficiency but also contribute to noise reduction, making bay windows Murray properties more peaceful and comfortable. For those in need of bay window frame installation Murray, our skilled technicians provide comprehensive services to restore the integrity and appearance of your windows. We also offer bay window glass replacement Murray to address any issues with cracked or broken panes. Our bay window maintenance Murray services ensure bay windows Murray homes depend on remain in optimal condition for years to come. Bay window weatherproofing Murray is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our expert team provides bay window caulking Murray and bay window trim installation Murray to prevent drafts and water damage. With our bay window condensation solutions Murray, your bay windows Murray installations will stay clear, sealed, and beautiful throughout every season. Enhance your home's security with bay window security features Murray. Our window hardware upgrade services include the installation of advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials to keep your home safe. Additionally, our bay window tinting Murray services offer privacy and UV protection, making bay windows Murray homeowners choose both stylish and secure. Explore a variety of bay window style options Murray to find the perfect match for your home. Our bay window design consultation Murray services help you select the ideal window style, materials, and finishes to complement your home's architecture. With our bay window measurement services Murray, your bay windows Murray installation will be precise and flawlessly executed. Our bay window installation warranty Murray provides peace of mind, ensuring your investment in bay windows Murray is protected. We offer affordable bay windows Murray without compromising on quality or craftsmanship. Trust our professional bay window services Murray for all your window needs, from installation to maintenance and installation. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows, including bay windows Murray homeowners rely on. Our team specializes in window pane replacement and window sash replacement, ensuring your windows look and perform their best. With our window frame installation services, you can restore the structural integrity of your bay windows Murray properties feature. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for any homeowner, especially when upgrading to bay windows Murray residents prefer. Our custom window solutions include insulated window units and double-glazed windows, designed to reduce energy consumption and enhance comfort. Window weatherproofing and window caulking services further improve the efficiency of bay windows Murray homes by sealing gaps and preventing drafts. Window maintenance services are essential for prolonging the life of your windows, including bay windows Murray installations. Our comprehensive offerings include window screen installation, window trim installation, and window condensation solutions. Regular maintenance helps prevent costly replacements and ensures bay windows Murray homeowners invest in remain in top condition. Bay window installation services in Murray offer a wide range of options for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With professional bay window services Murray, you can choose from custom bay windows Murray, energy-efficient bay windows Murray, and double-glazed bay windows Murray to suit your specific needs. Our residential bay window experts Murray ensure quality bay window replacement Murray, making bay windows Murray installations seamless from start to finish. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows, including bay windows Murray homes feature. In Murray, bay window glass replacement services are available to address any issues with cracked or broken glass. Our window pane replacement and window sash replacement services ensure that bay windows Murray residents choose remain functional and aesthetically pleasing. Window frame installation and window trim installation are essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. In Murray, bay window frame installation services are available to address any damage or wear and tear. Our window caulking services and window weatherproofing solutions help protect bay windows Murray homeowners install, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. Custom window solutions are available for those looking to personalize their window installations, including bay windows Murray residents desire. Our window design consultation services in Murray provide expert guidance on window style options, window measurement services, and window installation warranty. Whether you're interested in bay window style options or window security features, we make bay windows Murray customization simple and stress-free. Window maintenance services are vital for keeping your windows in top condition, especially bay windows Murray properties showcase. In Murray, bay window maintenance services include window screen installation, window hardware upgrade, and window noise reduction solutions. Our window condensation solutions and window tinting services help improve the comfort and efficiency of bay windows Murray homeowners enjoy. Affordable bay windows Murray are available for homeowners seeking cost-effective solutions. Our window replacement cost is competitive, ensuring you receive quality bay window replacement Murray without breaking the bank. With professional bay window services Murray, your investment in bay windows Murray is protected with our comprehensive installation warranty. Bay window weatherproofing Murray is essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our bay window caulking and bay window trim installation services ensure that bay windows Murray homes feature remain sealed and secure. For enhanced efficiency, our insulated bay windows Murray and energy-efficient bay windows Murray provide excellent thermal performance for bay windows Murray installations. Bay window design consultation Murray offers personalized guidance for selecting the perfect windows for your home. Our bay window measurement services ensure a precise fit, while our bay window style options allow you to customize bay windows Murray homeowners love. With bay window installation warranty Murray, your bay windows Murray investment is safeguarded for years to come. Bay window noise reduction Murray and bay window security features Murray enhance the comfort and safety of your home. Our bay window tinting services provide additional privacy and UV protection, while our bay window condensation solutions help maintain a clear view. Trust our residential bay window experts Murray for all your bay windows Murray installation, replacement, and maintenance needs.